Ever since I was a child, I realized I saw things differently than others. I've been an artist ever since. As I grew older, I discovered ways to show others how I saw. My passion changed to wanting to be more of a muse, a teacher, to inspire others to want to paint, to be creative. I began holding events like the Tony Goodwin Art Party, where I would just give my step-by-step lessons to others and have them paint alongside me one of my designs. Essentially, Art and Soul was birthed out of my other events. While I was teaching, God started speaking to me. Every phrase of my art lessons He threw back at me as an instruction for my life as a disciple of Christ, such as, trust your instructor, listen to everything I say, try not to be distracted. I've got a vested interest in you doing well. You are my ambassador of my design. Follow me step by step. Don't compare your canvas to those around you because you are unique. You can look at what I've done in the past or be about what I'm doing presently. Those are your only two choices. Stay at pace with me. Don't lag behind or jump ahead of what I'm doing, and so on. At the end of the Art and Soul event, I compare our journey of the canvas in front of us to the canvas of our sanctified life. This is what I truly believe God has me prepared for, set apart for, sanctified for. For more information about the Tony Goodwin Art and Soul event, contact Jamie Warden at Music Creative Services, 615-496-7198. Jamie at musiccreative.net.